In this video, I will show you how to send money from the Netherlands to India the best way possible with the best platform at this moment. So this platform is called TapTapSend, and this is a really familiar and known app. And this app is really good for sending money to Asia and Africa and other parts of the world, but especially Asia and India. And for this, it's really simple to set up an account. It will take you around 2 minutes, and then you will be in the same position as I am on this home tab, ready to make a transfer. And there's something really nice with this app, and that is the $5 bonus at this moment, or €5 bonus. And you can redeem that really easily, and I'm going to show you how you can do that later in this video. So please make sure you stay until the end. Anyway, let's dive into this video, starting off with going to the home tab as I'm in right now, and then we are going to click on the country search bar, and then we're going to type in India. And I see it in here, so I'm going to select it. And then in here, you can see the conversion rate. So you can see the rate into Indian rupees. So let's say we want to transfer €25, then we can see what it's going to be in rupees. And the rates are really good in TapTapSend, one of the best out there. So this one is pretty good as well. And if you want to redeem your promo code, so the free €5 off, then you can just click on add promo code in here, and then you need to enter the following code. So the code is JE00910. And after that, you just need to click on enter, and this way you will redeem that code, and then you will get a $5 or €5 or something equivalent to that as a promo of your transfer. So that's something that you can send extra, or you will just pay less. So that's how this works. After that, you can just go and click on next. And then you can select the recipient if you already have one created, but assuming you don't have that, you can just click on add new recipient, and then you can select a delivery method. So there are two methods for India. You have UPI and you have bank account. I'm just going with bank account in here. And then you need to fill in the full name of your recipient, and this should be their legal name as registered with their bank. And please be sure that they're matching, because otherwise this can cause disruptions and delays. So after that, go ahead and fill in the full name and the bank name, and these are all local banks, so go ahead and fill one in. Then you need to enter the bank account number, and then you need to confirm this, and then you also need to enter an IFSC code. After you've done that, you can just go ahead and click on next all the way at the bottom, and this way you can confirm your transfer. So that is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.